Do you think there's a resurgence in Yiddish these days? You know, if you look...
Yes,
and
very much so. This new leader of our Yiddish group, Connie, she loves Yiddish. She goes to whenever they have these Yiddish places in the summer, like for a week or something, where they cannot speak any other language than Yiddish. And we find that there's quite a growth in many people want to speak Yiddish, and they're teaching their children Yiddish, and they're talking at home Yiddish, and I'm delighted to hear that. I wish it could have been more in my house, but my husband, when the first one was born, I said, let's talk Yiddish to her. He said, no. And at that time, I guess all the time that I was married, I gave him the first privilege for what he wanted, and I didn't fight it. So that's why my children cannot speak Yiddish. They'll understand some, and they love Yiddishkeit, but they're more into the Hebrew.